Good morning, teacher. Today I am going to present some information about Ecopetrol, a national oil company based in Bogota, Colombia. Most of you know that Ecopetrol has main activity the production of oil and gas. This company has around 9,330 people employed or working. With 10. Its main competitors are Oxy Colombia, Chevron, Shell, and Petrobras companies. Now let's talk about some fact that compares Ecopetrol and Occidental. Ecopetrol is more active as an investor in Colombia than Oxy. Oxy Colombia has been in Bogota for more than 4 decades, while Ecopetrol is known for more than 80 years. Occidental has more operations of Colombia. That is, Oxy operates in more than 10 different countries, and Ecopetrol in less than 6 countries. Oxy has more employees around the world, is count with 30,000 employees and contractors. Ecopetrol has more refineries than Oxy. Colombia exports about half of its production, most of it to the United States. Occidental does have any refineries in our country. Ecopetrol is responsible for the total production of crude oil and gas in the country obtained by means of direct and associated operation. Therefore, Ecopetrol is the biggest oil production company in Colombia. It also had the biggest number production fields in Colombia. It has around 163 oil production fields. A third aspect to mention is about this company history. It owns in 1951 that Ecopetrol got its name as a state-owned industrial and commercial company. Between 1961 and 1974, Ecopetrol managed Barranca Bermeja refinery and the purchase of Cartagena refinery. Then in 1993, Colombia got one of the best news with the discovery of Caño Limón field in association with Oxy. Then Ecopetrol began to export oil. Later, Ecopetrol did some other great discovery which extended its oil self-sufficiency and made it more competitive in the framework of the world hydrocarbon industry. To sum up, As of 2003, Ecopetrol began an era in which, with more autonomy, is accelerating its exploration activities. Nowadays, he has an restructured company with more than 85 years of sales. Finally, let's talk about Ecopetrol's corporate social responsibility model. Ecopetrol, Ecopetrol's model recognizes 7 stakeholders. They are shareholder and investor, employees, retainers and their families, contractors and their employers, partners, the state, and as allies, one, society and community. In that, Ecopetrol aims to carry out all activities with social and environmental responsibility. Similarly, the company seeks the continuous improvement of its process, adopting the highest operational standard and best industries practice. Thanks a lot.